Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's exclusive love reading. So if you're going through any situationship, relationship or marriage, this reading is for you. If you are a sun, moon or rising Virgo. Alright, so your cards are already out, so let's begin. You have got the Three of Moons and the Judgment card. And you've got the Nine of Spheres and the Hermit. Now, I do see Virgos that you could be seeing some angel numbers on the watch, which could be 99111 or 1010. Okay, or other angel numbers as well. Please do Google the meaning of these numbers. Every number has a different message, a different spiritual message, and that might help you in the long run. So, considering the Judgment card with the Three of Moons, I do see some sort of change happening in your love life. It can be a change in the status. If you were single, you will get married, or you will get into a relationship. If you were in a relationship, you will get married. If you were single, you might just patch up with somebody from the past. Yes, because it is also a card of reconciliation. So I do see new beginnings. I do see reconciliation happening in your life, and I do see you celebrating something. So if you're not exactly getting married in the last week of February, you will at least start planning for one. You will at least do some sort of function like roka or engagement, or you will also be meeting the family, celebrating something, because I do see gathering and celebration of some kind. So it could be that you're also celebrating your patch up, or at least announcing that you both are together now. Um, if we talk about the other two cards, I do see you going into the hermit mode. That means you will be asking a lot of questions to yourself. You will be paying a lot of attention to your intuition when you're making your love life decisions, whether who to marry, what kind of person to marry, what do I want from my life. So you will be weighing the pros and cons of everything. I do see you taking things into account, also like the budget for the marriage that I want, how many people do I want. So I do see you calculating a lot of stuff. I do see you thinking a lot around this time and making very, very important decisions in the last week of February. So the cards are saying that if you ever have to make a decision about your personal life, especially in the last week of February or the first week of March, please do not ask 10 people, 4 people, 5 people. Please ask yourself. Start spending 5 to 10 minutes of the daily time with yourself, and you will get all the answers that you want regarding your life, whether to marry now or not to marry, any sort of question, right? The cards are saying that if you listen to yourself, if you listen to your intuition, there are high chances that you're making a right decision rather than when you're listening to other people. So I do see you relying on yourself. If you're not already, please start doing that, because there's a card of success and abundance. So if you listen to your intuition, if you make the decisions on your own, please do that. If you do that, you are going to get a lot of success, and you're most likely to make the right decisions in your life. I know that people will be coming and telling you that, it's the right age, get married right now, or this person is good for you, and, time is running. No, but if your intuition is telling you, no, I don't want to right now, or not this person, then please listen to your intuition. Do not listen to the noise outside, because you'll end up making the wrong decision. If you listen to yourself and what your intuition is telling you, whether that's now or never or any situation, you will get the right decisions. You will get a lot of success, and you will be very, very happy. Okay. So beautiful reading for you, Virgos. After a very long time, your life is in your control. So if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to claim the positive reading, then please do comment, I claim this energy, so that this reading, the positive energies from this reading reach you faster. Now I have an announcement to make before you leave my channel. February 27th is the new moon, which is the perfect time for rituals, and I also do personal readings as well as blockage removal rituals. So if you do have any specific questions regarding career, health, which was not covered in this reading, of course this was exclusive love reading, or family, or anything, the exam, please, you can always book a reading with me. Or if you would like to book a ritual, February 27th, the ritual actually starts, so you have to make it now. If you have any blockages in your career, promotion, health, marriage is not happening, exam is not getting cleared, right? So any sort of negativity that you have in your life, You can book a ritual as well. The process is the same. You can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram because I do update everything there. So please guys follow me on Instagram as well and DM me for the bookings. Now the charges are very cheap. You don't have to worry about like a 5,000 rupee ritual or something like that. You will check my charges of all sorts of reading. My minimum charge is 170 rupees and my maximum charge is 1,000 something. So it's not expensive at all. Why have I kept this low charge? Because I want to reach the masses. I want maximum people to avail these services and get clarity and direction in their life. All right. So please use these services. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.